Hey everyone, join us as we explore the vibrant life of Chronix, a reggae revival star. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories about music legends like Chronix who are reshaping Jamaican culture. Your support keeps these stories alive. Hit that subscribe button now. Chronix, born Jamar Rolando McNaughton on October 10, 1992, in Spanish Town, Jamaica, is a reggae artist whose soulful melodies and conscious lyrics have spearheaded the reggae revival movement. Son of reggae singer Chronicle, Selvin McNaughton, Chronix grew up immersed in Jamaica's musical heritage. Raised in a Rastafari household, his early exposure to music came through church choirs and his father's influence, inspiring him to write his first song, Rice Grain, at age 5. By his teens, he was producing rhythms for artists like Popcorn and Conscience, laying the foundation for his career. A devout Rastafarian, Chronix embraces an tall, plant-based diet, promotes mental wellness, and sports an Afrocentric style with dreadlocks and African prints, reflecting his spiritual and cultural roots. His professional breakthrough came in 2012 with singles like Behind Curtain and Warrior, earning significant airplay in Jamaica. His 2013 hit, Smile Jamaica, became an anthem, praised by Barack Obama in his 2015 summer playlist. Chronix's 2014 EP Dread and Terrible topped Billboard's Reggae Albums chart, followed by his 2017 Grammy-nominated album Chronology, featuring tracks like Skankin' Sweet and Likes. His performances at Reggae Sumfest, Glastonbury, and The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon in 2014 exposed him to global audiences. Collaborations with Joey Badass, Major Lazer, and Protoje, alongside tours with his Zinc Fence Redemption Band, solidified his international presence. In 2021, he signed with Soul Circle Music, and his 2022 single Della Move from the upcoming album Della Splash signals his continued evolution. Chronix's lyrics, addressing anti-war themes, resilience, and romance, resonate deeply, earning him awards like the 2017 Prime Minister's National Youth Award for Excellence. Living modestly in Kingston, Chronix prioritizes cultural and spiritual wealth over materialism, often advocating for social change through his music and public discussions. His lifestyle reflects Rastafari principles, focusing on simplicity, health, and community. While he keeps his personal life private, he became a father in 2021, a milestone he shared in a Rolling Stone interview. His net worth, estimated at $2 million in 2024, comes primarily from music sales, tours, and festival performances, though he reinvests much into his craft and charitable efforts, including youth empowerment initiatives in Jamaica. Chronix's legacy as a reggae torchbearer lies in his ability to blend traditional roots with modern sounds, inspiring a new generation alongside artists like Protoje and Coffee. His global influence, from Nairobi to the UK, underscores his role as a cultural ambassador, making him a pivotal figure in reggae's resurgence.